Commodities. Manisha is now joining in. Manisha.
Well, thank you for that. Well, in a market which is quite subdued because, one, you have the Trump inauguration happening today, and the second is you have U.S. shut because of holiday in sense of Martin Luther King Jr. So both ways, the markets are not really trading much in Asia, and that's perhaps how Europe would be. But ahead of this, we have seen the gold and silver prices, the precious metals kind of gain up. The dollar index has seen a bit of a decline. The markets are looking at on Trump on what he would say impact on the first day of his office itself. There have been a lot of conversations and tweets to that impact. Well, there are expectations that you could be looking at plans on immigration, tariffs, taxes, deregulations of various sectors, and that could perhaps lead to inflation, which works or augurs well for the precious metal prices, and that's exactly what we have seen. In the previous year itself, we've seen an all-time high for gold and silver for the Indian markets. The international markets have run up quite strongly as well, with 25 to 28% of gains coming in for both these precious metals. This year as well has started on a positive note. Currently also ahead of the Trump taking over, we are looking at gold prices trading up at $2,700 an ounce. We also have silver prices, which have put back 4 weeks of gains and have started this week on a stronger note as well. Both U.S. inflation is bolstering markets to keep long positions into this one, while we haven't seen fund allocations come in for many of these commodities, but the precious metals clearly seeing a lot of smart money flowing into these.
Thank you very much for that. It's time now for Growth Code, an initiative by Growth and CNBC.